Hello.
No.
What? Are you being grumpy?
No.
No.
Daddy, I'm right here.
Are you being happy? Yum.
No.
Oliver, what are you doing?
Stop. I'm trying.
Okay, stop it. Hey, Owen,
Naughty.
be nice. But Oliver, leave him alone. You keep pestering him and he's trying to eat his food. Eee. Yum. Yum. What? What about Oliver? Is he being wild and crazy because you're getting the attention? Who's that Oliver? That's your big brother.
No.
And he loves you lots and lots.
No.
It's true.
I'm back. Yummy, yummy, yummy.